First digging out,
Check it out. They're
digging out
trying
the
to.
backyard,
It's trying to pull itself back.
backyard, and also tipping off.
Yeah, it's trying to pull itself back onto the truck by digging into the neighbor's yard.
Oh my god.
The neighbor isn't going to be very
You
happy.
can see. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh,
They should probably, the best idea, block off all the roads.
where are the neighbours? Can they see this?
I don't think anyone's home.
And I'm guessing this is why people normally transport them first on bigger trucks or in the small ones in the back of dump trucks, because they can actually fit it in, and then when it goes to tip, it won't tip because it's got no way to tip.
By the looks of things, it probably slipped over to the side as it was driving on. That's kind of sketchy.
The way that you could get it off with the track traverse, can you put it on a setting? Because if you could just slowly turn it to the side
I think that's what they're doing
and
too.
reverse it off.
Oh god, because it's so muddy as well.
Yeah, I think it's probably the mud on the tracks that got it.
Making it, ooh. That is awful to watch. Imagine the guy in that.
Yeah, glad I'm not him.
Yeah.
If they had a heavier weight than that, like the end bit, they could actually point it that way, heading towards there, and slowly drive that way. And if it went to the tip,
So I think what they're doing is they're putting the bucket on the ground, and he's going to shove himself back on. Oh, there it goes.
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Is he okay? What? That guy is in there, look.
Oh, bugger.
That's hardcore.
and this is
That's actually quite funny. The guy in there will be fine.
Yeah, those things are made for the roll cage, but that's
Yeah.
like...
he was
Yeah.
whacking on the window because he must have gotten like a massive fright.
That's what I'm thinking. He must have banged his head hard.
And this is why the proper people who dig, like are builders, they clean the tracks.
He's all good.
Okay, he's all good. Poor guy.
And that's why they normally stick the door on the side of the cabin and the front.
That's incredible. Wow. Well,
Impressive move.
that's blocking the road pretty thoroughly.
Kind of.
More
It isn't as bad as when Grandad managed to pop the monster truck's front tire off,
Yeah.
and then he towed it with his own tow truck back round, and then they got the big tow truck to come and